welcome to Baby Learning Fun!
Hello, everyone. Are you ready for a fun adventure? Today, we're going on a yoga safari. We'll move like animals, stretch like trees, and even fly like butterflies. Let's take a big deep breath in and blow it out. Remember, our goal today is to stretch like a cat, breathe like a lion, and stay calm like a tree. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. One, horse pose. Let's become strong horses. Step 1 foot forward and bend your knee. Keep your arms wide like you're holding reins. Gallop in place and switch legs. Mate. 2, tree pose. Now let's be tall trees. Stand on one leg, put your foot on your other leg, and stretch your arms up like branches. Try to stay still like a strong tree in the wind. 3, cobra pose. Lie on your belly and put your hands on the ground. Push up and lift your chest like a cobra snake. Hiss like a snake, hiss. 4, lotus position. Sit down and cross your legs like a flower. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and out, and imagine a beautiful lotus blooming. 5, warrior pose. Let's become brave warriors. Step 1 foot back, bend your front knee, and reach your arms out straight. Feel your strength as you stand tall. 6, half moon pose. Stand on one leg, lean forward, and lift your other leg up behind you. Reach one arm to the ground and one to the sky, like a shining half moon. 7, boat pose. Sit on the floor and lift your legs up like a boat floating on water. Hold your legs with your hands if you need to, and try to keep your balance. 8, chair pose. Pretend you're sitting in an invisible chair. Bend your knees, reach your arms up, and hold the pose. Can you feel your strong legs? 9, standing bow pose. Balance on one leg, grab your other foot behind you, and stretch your arm forward like a graceful bow. Try to stay balanced and strong. 10, cow pose. On your hands and knees, drop your belly down and look up like a happy cow. Say a moo as you stretch. 11, hand to toe pose. Stand tall, lift one leg up, and try to touch your toes with your hand. If you can't reach, that's okay. Try on the other leg too. 12, downward dog. Put your hands and feet on the ground, lift your hips up, and make a big triangle shape with your body like a stretching dog. Take a big breath in and out. 13, triangle pose. Step your feet wide apart, reach one hand down to your leg or the ground, and the other hand up to the sky. Make a strong triangle shape with your body. 14, extended triangle pose. Stretch your top arm even further back, feeling a big stretch along your side. Reach for the sky. 15, prayer pose. Stand up straight, bring your hands together at your chest, and take a deep, calming breath. Feel peaceful and strong.
Thanks for watching Baby Learning Fun. We hope you enjoyed learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can all learn together. Come back soon for more fun and learning adventures. See you next time.